All right, so want to walk you guys through some things to check on your YouTube if you are not getting a picture, but you are getting the sound. Okay. Um, Now, obviously, I have the picture. I can't demonstrate this without YouTube, but just to show you some things to check, I got a bunch of notes here because this is a deeper one. So what's actually happening is it's usually a decoding or rendering failure, meaning that YouTube or your TV or your streaming device is struggling to turn our data back in to an image. And we're getting the sound because it's a lot easier to decode audio than it is to decode the actual video. Um, so we can diagnose this because if it's only a YouTube issue, it is an app issue. If all apps are affected, it's either the TV or an HDMI issue, right? We're going to focus on YouTube here. So fixes, this is what we're going to check. I'll demo some of these, but some of them I'm just going to notate so that you have, and I'll put this list in the description below. Okay. So first, restart the YouTube app completely. So that means we are going to close it fully, not just back out of it. And that is going to be different on every TV. But whatever you have to do to close it completely, go ahead and try that. Then we're going to power cycle the TV or the device by simply unplugging it for 60 seconds. And what this is doing, it's allowing all the electrical buildup to kind of dissipate, and it's going to reset the video processor. So that could work. The next one is to actually lower the video quality. I'll show you how to do that here. So YouTube, yours is black. Over here, you should still see the settings. We'll go there and we'll lower the video quality. So I have it at 1080p, but you go as low as you can to see if that helps bring the image back. If you have an update, obviously you want to update the video app, and then we want to update the TV or the streaming device, and then turn off your HDMI or HDR or Dolby Vision. Now that again is going to be different on every single TV depending on where your video settings are. So just to make sure that it is solely a YouTube issue, open up another app. We can delete and then reinstall the YouTube app. Now on some TVs it is built in, so you won't be able to delete it, but on others you will. And then you can change the HDMI port or cable or factory reset